Nebula is going to help the DoD continue to drive innovation, and one of the core missions of the QCH is to be a solutioning center for the Department of Defense. We will be able to have free license to sit down, have DoD customers come into this room and say, what do you guys need? What we're providing with Nebula is not a, here's all the parts in a box, this is your product, you have to use this, or if it doesn't meet your mission, then tough luck. We are totally modular and adjustable to what the DoD needs. So this is going to be one of the first software factories that really its goal is to solution for the DoD and come up with those unique paths. You need a tactical edge software factory that can be deployed in a Connex box, we can do it. You need, to be able to push updates to a drone via a 5G network, we can do it, right? We will come up with anything. I really want the motto for Nebula to be, the answer is yes, because it really is going to be the art of the possible here, and we're going to be able to do whatever we want.